So if we tweak these settings, we can see more this difference between reflection. And this is too shiny here, so I will bring this black color to more to white. Okay, something like this. And now I will use same texture. I will go with another color ramp and use this for bump. So we can go with Shift A, bump node, and this texture always go to height, and we can plug this to normal. And we get all these bump details here, but I will bring this to 0.1. And also this all down. And this is how this look now, and I will just try make one render how this was look before. So this is before and after. And we can make now difference between these windows and doors and rest of this cabin. So I will select this door here, and I will go to material properties tab, and I will select this wood material here, but I will also add I will duplicate this material and create new one. So you can see that this is now wood 1 material, and I will rename this to wood more brown. And we need to unwrap this, so I will go to UV editor and A to select all, and U, Q projection. And I will rotate this on Z by 90 degrees. And we can scale this down. And I will fix these 3 planks here. So R on left, R and Z to rotate this on the axis. RZ 90. And let's project this here and also fix this one. RZ and rotate this. And also this part here, RZ90. And this part. Okay, this look pretty good, and I will back to shading tab, and we can see that if we click here, this is we have another material here, and this is wood more brown material. So now I will just add more white color to add more this brown wood material. So if we bring this on left and add more white color, we get completely different material here. Okay, and now to add this material to this window, we can just select this object here and select this material, or you can also grab this material icon here and bring to this object. Now we can go to UV editing and select this object with A to select all, and U projection. A on left also to select all, and G for grab, and RZ90 to rotate this on the axis by 90 degrees, and fix these programs here. So RZ to rotate along the axis, to line up this a little, and also RZ90 to rotate this on the axis by 90 degrees. And you can select all these three with holding Shift and RZ90. Okay, I will now just duplicate this, and I don't need to do this same on the left side. So Shift DX and move this here. And also fix this window frame here. So U projection, scale this, and let's rotate all this. Okay, so I will press numpad/key to isolate only this object, and we can now work with only this object. So RZ90. Okay, this looks pretty good, and I will back to layout, and I will just duplicate this object again, Shift DX, and move this on X-axis. And to back to our scene, just press numpad/key again, and now we can make test render here. And we forget these parts, so I will select all this, and the last selected is this one, Ctrl L, link materials, and now just fix this UV. So L, go to UV editor and U projection and scale this. This part here also, wood, and I will go with select all and U projection, and I want to fix this object here, and I will rotate this on y-axis. L, and so I will press L over this part and rotate by 90 degrees. And also L over this part and line up this. And we have here two objects, so press L twice to select all. We can also go with, so if we go with U, Smart UV Project, and for this object with angle we get better result. So I will now select all and RZ90. Okay, so L, U, Smart UV Project, and just rotate this on Z by 90 degrees and project this. Now I will go with this texture here, and I will use this for roof. So we can select this object here, and we can add here another material, and I will call this metal. We can go to shading tab, and we can bring this metal material here. I will plug this to base color, and now I will, in edit mode, when we have two materials, we can go to edit mode and we can select part where we want to apply this texture. So I will select this part here and I will go with Ctrl+ to expand selection. Now when I have selected this part, I will select this material here and assign. And just in UV editor we can choose this texture here and we can scale this. Scale on X or and Y and try project this. Okay, something like this, and I will also do with this part here. So another texture and choose this metal texture here. In UV editor select all this. With L you can select all this part here and I will select this material and assign. We can back to shading tab and we can improve this material a little, so I will go with color ramp and plug this to roughness. So this black is too shiny, so I will bring this more to white. We have too much reflection here, so I will bring more this white color here and I will bring this more to white. And we can use same texture for bump. Plug this to height and to normal. And bring this value to 0.1 and bring this all down. Last thing without materials, I think, is this fence. So we can fix this now. And in next part we will create real planks, not just with texture.